shredded cassava with coconut, shredded coconut and sugar, and then we bake it. Dish dip
โอ้
ปลาฮอกกาบ
เครื่อง
ปลาฮอกเครื่อง
โอ้
yeah that's a mouth watering one What's up everybody, Bo is here. We are at Rock Creek. This is Rock Creek Lake area, the picnic area. here for the weekend. We are camping at McGee Creek, but it's gonna be 6-7 of us coming. We are 4 of us here now, 2 more plus a small car coming, and we'll meet them later. So we're here at Rock Creek because they closed the road go into the lake on the other side. That's why everybody is here, all packed on this side. All the parking lots is full, and I think everybody also fishing on this side. And plus it's windy. I don't know if it's fishable or not. We're gonna go check out later, but right now it's kind of late lunch. We're gonna go set up lunch right now before we discover anything else. Beautiful autumn colors right now. The trees are all turning yellow golden color. You can see on the way here. It was so pretty. Okay, let's go check out what we're having for lunch. Okay, so very beautiful picnic area here. Nice. Okay, and what we have today, this morning, no, afternoon, it's a late lunch. Yeah, the brown rice, the steamed white rice over there.
Stuffing
Huh.
bell pepper dip.
Stuffed bell pepper?
Yeah.
Oh, grill.
Yeah.
My goodness. Yes. Chicken ginger ribs and the soup. This is the napa and what I call the yeah, the beef bone. Beef. What I call the
Napa and papaya.
yeah, oxtail soup. Oh, number 1. You guys, we have a dessert after that. So this is a Cambodian style dessert. It's a cassava. The cassava, shredded cassava with coconut, shredded coconut and sugar, and then we bake it, and it comes out really good. Very what I call nice aroma, you know, let it burn a little bit like that. So it's one of Cambodian's dessert. Okay. You guys, I am at McGee Creek campground. The campground is right here. This is the McGee Creek. We are camping along the tree line. Look at this, beautiful. The trees are turning. Right now it's kind of lime color. It's going to be yellow next week, but in some area already pure yellow and gold and red color. This is so beautiful. I can't wait to see when the sun shines through here. Look around. Okay, dinner time. We're not gonna cook anything on the spot tonight because we have pre-cooked food. So we just warming up. A little bit of this, little bit of that. Now we have a lot of food already. So let's take a look at what we have. We still have our spare ribs and the chicken ginger and
String beans.
string bean with ground chicken, zucchini and chicken breast. Zucchini with chicken breast, huh? This is the
Oh, anh đi chăng na.
Cambodian dish dip.
Oh.
ปลาฮอกกับ
เครื่อง
ปลาฮอกเครื่อง
สัตว์
Oh,
เครื่องสัตว์
yeah, that's a mouth-watering one. And we just cooked fresh steamed rice right here. Yeah. Oh, look at that, still smoking.
โอ้หอย
Mm-hmm. Okay. สรุปอาจารย์คุณผมไหวตัวมองก็ได้
có ông vậy
until 1 or 2 o'clock, like almost 1. Here I am taking my sweetest time.
Well, yesterday I didn't eat anything until the night time. Then I had to cook a couple of
Luna. Hi, Luna. Hi.
Talent went by. I was like, give me your money, give me your money.
Cô ba đi đây.
Từ cái áo này, cái bông bút này.
What, you want bread? Huh? Does anybody want bread? I'm gonna toast it.
Okay, toast it, please.
You want one?
Thank
Okay.
you. I'll take it.
Chingay. Sorry, what language is that? That was Khmer. Just so you know. That's the best Khmer ever. Ja, ja.
Chặt lại đây.
Ja, ja.
Chú nói tôm đắng nhâm tôm đắng.
Không đi đâu.
Không biết nào.
Đi đi đâu.
Talk behind my back.
No. No, your face right there.
Okay, we are on our way to Yosemite. Let's see how far we can go to Yosemite, and hopefully less wind over there. It's too windy over here. So let's wait for everybody to get here and then we leave.